On today's video, we are going to be learning how to send booking email to multiple recipients in wTravel. wTravel and wTravel Pro plugin provides various email templates. During running a travel booking site or any other type of site, you have to send booking or other emails to multiple recipients. Sending emails to multiple recipients is tough. So wTravel Pro plugin has come up with a feature regarding sending email to multiple recipients. You can add the email addresses of multiple recipients. As a result, people whose email has been added in the backend section can receive an email regarding to the booking of the trip. To know in depth about sending emails to multiple recipients, please follow this step-by-step guide. From your admin's dashboard, head over to wTravel, Settings, and from there to Emails tab. Here you'll be able to see this email template section. Make sure the send email option is enabled, and below that you will be able to see a field where you can enter the emails to whom you want to send the emails. You can add the email addresses in the same way for payment email templates and as well for inquiry email templates. So once you're done with filling all the fields and the required values, you can head over to the front page, and here you can see the received email for the booking is going to be looking something like this. And if you set up inquiry email as well, you can see it is also going to be looking something like this. And same is the case for the payment email. I hope you learned something new in this video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Until next time, peace.